Hey, Ramon. We're looking at a place to eat. Any ideas? You're headed to the Pokemon Shrine. The store's tenderly in your hand. The stairs. Thanks, Ramon. I do what I can. Whoa! Ow! Oh, this is the place for me. I know. Hey, we want with your 3 eggs, 6 walnuts, and 1 baby corn. Ah, baby corn. I don't want any help us. Maybe it's too nice for Housley, but how do you mean precisely? Excuse me, her please. Hello? You say that's a nice hello. Maybe he should tie her. Oh, wow. Don't be scared again. I hear you. We're just saying you can't hear you. Yes, that's it, Cat. Your larger likes this. When you get awareness, it won't hear the story the same quietly. But if you can't hear us, we won't be able to tell him we won 3 hard-boiled eggs, 6 walnuts, and 1 baby corn. Baby corn. We've got a big problem.